In INST C4, professional development and program evaluation, technology coaches conduct needs assessment, develop technology-related professional programs, and evaluate the impact on instructional practice and student learning. I mastered the standard in 4B, design, develop, and implement technology-rich professional learning programs that model principles of adult learning and promote digital age best practices in teaching, learning, and assessment. I mastered through the completing action research through 5 why processes. Through the process of reviewing the literature, choosing a topic, and formulating a plan, data collection and quantitative and qualitative methods provided in-depth understanding from a statistical point of view and how teachers use gamification tools in classrooms to drive instruction. Also, I had to create a research question and an IRB assignment. I met the standard with the IRB by determining the use of gamification tools, Kahoots, and quizzes by middle school students and teachers. For the study, I designed a survey that I sent out to teachers that I teach in my building, and also peers within the class to receive feedback. The group study was middle school boys and girls ages 10 to 13. The data collected was analyzed using descriptive statistics. As a result of the study, it was evident that gamification tools used in the classroom showed student engagement similarities. The study showed the benefits of using gamification tools in a learning environment for both students and teachers when used correctly. So, my goal was to see how gamification could affect student learning and student outcomes, and there was a positive correlation of that. So moving forward, I have talked to staff members, I have talked to tech coordinators and admin in reference to maybe implementing gamification tools in the classroom setting to have students engage from that learning perspective, because most kids these days do play video games, and I can see how it can be affected in the learning process. So that was my initial goal. I feel as though these tools would bolster academic achievement on schools, in the school and district level.